In this video, I'm going to show you how to evenly space rows in Excel. Let's open a document. This is a multi-column table that I have taken as an example. As you can see here, the rows of this table are of various heights. Though the data is complete, this does not look good. To space the rows evenly, select the row below the header column, because we want to keep the header column as it is. After selecting, press Ctrl plus Shift and the down arrow button on your keyboard. It will select the whole data table. Now right-click on the selected area. In the pop-up menu, click on Row Height. Here, you have to try a couple of times to get the perfect row height. For trying, let's add 60 first. Click on OK. You can see here that the rows are spaced evenly, but some of the rows are a bit cramped now, so let's increase the height a little bit. Right-click on the selected area again. In the pop-up menu, click on Row Height. Let's add 80 this time. This space looks perfect to me. While selecting the whole table, click on the middle and center alignment icon. Here, you can see that my rows are spaced evenly, and it looks a lot better than before.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.